Hey guys, this is Miss Copeland, one of the tech coordinators at JD, and I am here to give you a few helpful add-ons for this virtual environment and just on your computer in general, and also how to use them. The very first one I'm going to talk to you about is called Kami, K-A-M-I. It is a PDF reader. So let me show you. What you're going to do to get to any of the add-ons is you can just go to the Google add-on store, but I'm just going to type in Kami, Chrome extension. Those are usually used interchangeably, Chrome extension or add-on. Once you search it, usually it's the first one where you're going to see that chrome.google.com, Kami extension. It should have that K on it, and you click on add to Chrome. And then you hit add extension. Now it may ask you to put your school email in there. You can do that as well, but I'm already signed in. So it shows now it has been added to Chrome. What's cool about it is now you can do things like when you have an assignment. Let's go back. The cool thing about it is when you have an assignment that may have been given to you as a PDF, now that I've completed the add-on, you see if we go to the PDF, normally it's just going to let us look at it. We can't actually do anything. I'm clicking, nothing's happening. But since we've added Kami, when you click on Open Assignment with Kami, it sometimes takes a second the first time you do it, but now it is going to let you do things like markup, which is highlighting. So let's say I wanted to highlight this. You can also select the colors. I could change that if I wanted to change it to purple. You can also create text boxes. So text box, and then you can just start typing it purple. And I could say, well, that's kind of far away. I don't want it there. You can actually move it underneath. You can make the text bigger, etc., etc. So it allows you to do all of those things, and then you can actually turn it in right through Kami, and it's going to take you back to Schoology. And now it's already there, so I just hit submit, and now my edited assignment has been submitted. So you don't have to try to download it and write on a Google Doc or anything like that and upload it. So that's one add-on or Chrome extension that is good that you can use. The next one that we're going to talk about is Grammarly. So remember, we get there the same way through the Chrome Web Store. Since I'm already there, I'm just going to go like this, Grammarly. Now mine is already added, but it would be the same thing. You would click right here and click add to Chrome. So once you have the Grammarly add-on, it is time to actually use it in your assignments. This is just a Google Doc that I have. We'll say that this is something your teacher assigned. You think you're ready to turn it in, but since we've already added the Grammarly add-on, it's right here. So when I click it, it says has access. You see mine already is showing up. So once you enable it, you have it right here. It says there are 10 critical errors and 4 more in Grammarly. So we're going to look at them and see what they say. If you click on it, it's going to give you exactly what is incorrect, and it tells you why. It says that I am missing a comma. Consider adding a comma. If you click on it, it changes it for you. Now, sometimes, obviously, just like with any spelling or grammar check, you do need to make sure you read it over and make sure the change that it's giving you is appropriate for what you're doing. Sometimes, for example, this particular document has questions and answers, so they may not fit the normal formatting of a paragraph. You do have to be aware of that. But it'll give you all the different things that you need to correct. I obviously have a lot of things to correct in this assignment. And it also gives you color codes so that you know what area it's saying that you're weakest in, whether it's just grammatically or whether it's grammatical, under correctness, clarity, engagement or delivery. And delivery is going to have to do with the tone, whether you're speaking to your teacher or speaking to your friends. So you would just go through these, and you can either, if you click on the green, it changes it automatically, or you can hit the trash and they'll leave it like it is. This is why Grammarly is so great, because the normal spell checkers that you do, like on Google Docs, where you can just go to tools and spelling and grammar, they don't get as in-depth as far as making sure that your delivery or your engagement, how the tone is, how you're speaking to your teachers or whoever your audience is. Grammarly takes those things into effect, which is why it's a little bit better than just the regular spelling and grammar. Not that anything's wrong with that, but if you can have it sound the best before you turn it in, why not? So this is just the kind of the way that you use Grammarly, and the more you use it, the more you will realize that it's the best tool, one of the best tools that you could have as an add-on on your Chromebooks. And then we have Loom. So I'm actually currently recording on Loom, so I can't create a new video, but Loom is going to look like this. It's the same thing through the store. And it's going to allow you, that add-on for Chrome, it's going to allow you to do screen recordings. So there it is right there. Again, I already have it, but it's going to allow you to do things like this where you screen record, and you can choose to record your entire screen. You can have it like where I have just my avatar right here, or you can have your own face in there. You can also just do videos of just the entire screen. If maybe there was a video your teachers did that you don't want to delete from Schoology after a certain amount of time, you can actually also record those videos that your teachers gave you, so you can access them after those 7 days. Once you make those videos using the Loom add-on, you can just go to loom.com and you will have full access to any of those videos you recorded at any time. So those are 3 helpful add-ons that every student and teacher, because I use all 3 of these on a regular basis. I'm actually currently using Loom to make this video. I use Grammarly with everything, and I definitely use Cami because I have a lot of documents that are PDFs that I would not be able to use otherwise. The bonus tip, which is not an add-on, but there are 2 different ways on a Chromebook where you can do a screenshot. I know on a PC it's a little bit different, but Chromebooks, one is like the snipping tool, which is where you can actually select a certain portion of the screen that you wanted to capture. So with that, you're going to hold down Control and Shift, and it's the F5 key, but sometimes some computers, it just has that box with the 3 lines, which is the screen capture. So Shift and Control and screen capture will allow you to drag a box around whatever you would like that you need to save, and then just a screenshot of the entire screen will be Control and F5, or Control in that box with the 3 lines. So that's your bonus tip. If you have any questions, please email me. Again, Ms. Copeland, Kimberly.Copeland at mps.k12.al.us. Catch you guys soon.